Today I will show you how to chemical peel at home. First of all, cleanse your face. Next, saturate one 2x2 gaze pad with exfoliant. Swipe evenly all over the face, then discard gaze pad, allow to dry for about 30 seconds, then repeat. Next, saturate one 2x2 gaze pad with peel prep. Swipe evenly all over the face, avoiding the eye area, discard gaze pad and allow the face to dry. Next, protect sensitive areas of the face with barrier balm. Use cotton swabs to apply around each eye, nostrils, lips and earlobes. Now it's time for peel application. Pour contents of peel into mask cup. Dip applicator into peel formula to saturate. Apply one even layer of peel to skin, avoiding eye area and any area protected by barrier balm. Leave on skin for 2-5 minutes. Now it's time to deactivate peel. Shake peel neutralizer well, then saturate cotton round, swipe over the face. If you continue to feel any activity on the skin after using peel neutralizer, you can rinse the skin with cold water. Finally, in 1-2 minutes after neutralizing the peel, apply an even layer of serum to enhance your peel treatment.